Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am gonna tell you about Sony Xperia 10. In this video I am gonna also tell you the detailed price of Sony Xperia 10 and upcoming price of Sony Xperia 10 and also expected price of Sony Xperia 10 and the official warranty given by the company, yes or no. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notification of my video. So let's get start the video. Now here we have gonna tell you about the detailed specification of Sony Xperia 10 II. Here we have built-in quantity of OS Android 10 OS dimension 157 into 69 into 8.22 mm, weight 151 grams, SIM hybrid dual SIM dual standby nano SIM, color black and white. Here we have in frequency SIM 1 GSM 850 slash 900 slash 1800 slash 1900. SIM 2 GSM 850 slash 900 slash 1800 slash 1900. 3G band HSDPA 850 slash 900 slash 1900 slash 2100. 4G band LTE band etc. Here we have in processor CPU octa-core 4 into 2.0 GHz plus 4 into 1.8 GHz. Chipset Qualcomm STM665 Snapdragon 665 11 nanometer. GPU Adreno 610. Here we have in display technology OLED capacitive touch screen 16 color multi-touch, size 6.0 inches, resolution 1080 into 2520 pixel, protection Corning Gorilla Glass 6. Here we have in memory built-in 128GB, built-in 4GB RAM. Micro SD card support up to 512GB, dual SIM model only. Here we have in camera, main triple camera, 12 megapixel, 8 megapixel and also LED flash. Features geotagging, touch focus, face by smile detection, HDR eye tracking. Front end 8 megapixel. Here we have in connectivity WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot Bluetooth V 5.0 with A2DP LE XHD GPS gas plus a GPS port and clonals radio FM radio USB 2.0 Type C 1.0 reversible connector USB on the go NFC yes data GPRS 3G 4G. Here we have in features sensor, accelerometer, compass, fingerprint, proximity, audio, 3.5 mm, audio jack, black layer, speakerphone, browser, HTML5, messaging, SMS, MMS, email, pushmail, IM, games, built-in plus downloadable, torch, yes, extra, Dolby Atoms, high voice audio, active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, document viewer, photo by video editor. Here we have in battery capacity, low ion, non-removable, 3600 mAh, fast battery charging. Here we have in price will be coming soon, and in US dollar the price will also coming soon, but the expected price is 48,999. This is Pakistani expected price, and I hope you can like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.